We need to design in Australia, we need to develop in Australia, and we need to innovate in Australia. And I think the AirHub is a key connector of that ecosystem.
Well, AirHub is a consortium of all industry partners, including prime, suppliers, researchers, postdoc, which provides a unique setting to collaborate and innovate jointly to define the shape of Australian aerospace industry.
Australia has a great history in aerospace, and what we're looking to do here with AirHub is to find ways we can capitalise on that history and develop ourselves, develop Australian industry for the future and to be able to participate there.
The group of people that we have together tonight are an incredible mix of manufacturers, designers, consultants, students, researchers, and to see that sector come together really shows the established capability that we have here.
Having a formal partnership with AirHub is really important. It's really great to see these graduates and PhD students and know where this talent pool is coming from. I think it's a really good relationship to have.
Look, we're a proud AirHub partner. We're a proud Victorian manufacturer of uncrewed UAS. And AirHub's an important component of the industry for us. We get to meet other industry partners. We get to work with our suppliers here, and it's just a fantastic opportunity to be involved in the ecosystem.
Of course, in AirHub, there's a huge future. So we've got a revolution in this area in advanced air mobility, and it takes a lot of people to be able to start a new industry. So I see the value of AirHub as really making those connections so we can come together to plan for that future.
The strengths in AirHub are bringing together a collaboration of diverse universities, partners in industry and also research institutes like CSIRO, so to take early stage research right through to translation.
I see the future of Australian aerospace as quite positive, it's quite lucrative. We have some smart people and some fantastic initiatives such as the AirHub, really pushing the future of what's possible in aerospace technology. And I think with that real commitment and dedication to that effort, within the next 5 to 10 years, I think we can be a real player on the stage of aerospace globally.